To remove background noise from this audio file, we'll be using a free tool called Audacity. Here I have the sample file which I'll be using to show you how to get this done. And in your case, you can drag your file into this vacant space here to get started. Now, first of all, you want to get a sample of that noise from any vacant part of the audio file. I'm talking about the part of the file that has no vocals, which is preferably at the beginning or the end part of your audio file. I'm just going to highlight on this part here to get a sample. Proceed to Effect. Go on to Noise Removal and Repair. Noise Reduction. Now you want to click on Get Noise Profile. Click on that. Double click on this file to highlight everything. Again, we'll go back to Effect. Go on to Noise Removal and Repair and Noise Reduction. We have these three settings right here. What this does is to facilitate the reduction of the noise, okay? If you slide this up here, it's going to remove more noise from your audio. And you don't want to have this robotic sound on your audio. I recommend you leave this somewhere between 8 and 12, okay? You can actually go right here and click on Preview. And this way you can listen to the sound and actually know how much noise has been reduced. I'm just going to set it back to default. I'm going to leave it as 12, okay? For the remaining two, I recommend you just leave it the way it is. And once you're done with that, proceed and click on OK. After doing that, obviously, you can see here that this noise here has been reduced, okay? And this is a very easy and effective way to remove background noise from your audio file. Guys, remember to like this video and subscribe to this channel. Have a nice day. Peace out.